So, what's in our fridge? Let's start over here. We have my favorite Land O'Lakes butter. We have Imperial that I use just for small items. I mostly bake with this. I have grade B maple syrup, which to me is the best because not only is it sweet and good, but it is packed with electrolytes and nutrients. This is another maple syrup, grade B. And here's my Hellmann's, which has been one of my extreme pregnancy cravings, and I have to have it on my sandwiches. This is aloe vera juice. For those who don't know, it is excellent for your system. It's like healing your body from the inside, and it's really good for you. This is some hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce, and I use chia seeds, which are an excellent source of omega-3 and fiber. And of course, we have milk. I have some leftover spaghetti. Simply apple juice. Some Aunt Jemima pancake mix that I used yesterday. Some Silk Pure Almond dark chocolate milk, which is the bomb. A friend of mine brought me some coconut cream pie. Take a look at that. And we have cereal up here at the top, Frosted Flakes and Fruit Loops. I got eggs. Why my kids put bananas in here, I do not know. Did I know that was in it? And bread, I don't know. That looked like a quick cleanup job to me. And it didn't close up my lunch meat. Chopped ham. And I have my sausage in here, my garlic. Let's see what's in the freezer. So this is pretty much typical of what's in our fridge. Things come and go pretty quickly around here, so it's not usually full. We have some frozen water up here, my gallon of water that I drink from. I have my veggies, shrimp, garlic bread. Here in Texas, we have Bluebell ice cream, which is the best ice cream known to me. And just some meat, frozen chicken, and I have some chopped onions. I put that in everything. Beef for stir fry. I have some chicken wingettes, and I have some more thigh fillets back there, and beans, corn, and broccoli. It's pretty much the staples that we use. So yeah, that's pretty much a look in our fridge, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.